like Vanna White. Girl, I just want to rip it off like a waxing strip. How many of you guys open boxes like this? Beat the crap out of it and eventually you'll get it open. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a Grove collaborative, not collective, like in my last video. I said it about 25 times. How could I do a complete video and see the name Grove Collaborative on everything and still say Grove Collective about 57 times? The Grove Collective. Grove Collective. Okay. How is this possible? I got the name right this time, and you guys liked that video so much that I had to do another haul. Also, I've been trying to change my lifestyle little by going more organic, green, eco-friendly, vegan, and things like that. It's been very difficult to incorporate those things in my overall like eating habits, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. So the only way to make change is to start somewhere, right? Now, I am going to be realistic with myself and with you guys. I will stumble. I will still continue to buy things that might not be the best for the environment, not intentionally, but that's just how it goes, especially living here in America. There are a lot of products that just come with just way too much packaging, and I can't avoid it all. But I'm trying my best to be conscious about the things that I purchase and the things that I bring into my home and also expose my family to. So just keeping that in mind. Not only is this my second haul, but this is also my second order with Grove Collaborative. But I'm just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. But before we do this, if you guys have not already joined my family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okie dokie. My mom would be very disappointed that I'm opening this box in the house because she is like so convinced that some kind of creature of the night is gonna jump out of here and live in my house. So hopefully that is not the case. Lord, please protect my house. My son would love to pop all of these things. Speaking of critters, the first thing that come out of this box is this FlyPunch fruit fly trap. And it says to get rid of fruit flies fast and safe near you. I'm really not sure how, let's see. To use this, you remove the seal, open the flip cap. It's kind of like a salt shaker or a seasoning shaker. And it says to place near fruit flies and watch the cycle of life unfold. It's kind of morbid. I'm hoping to just catch flies, period. I don't have too much problems with fruit flies because I keep all of my produce in the refrigerator, but I have a problem with mosquitoes and flies. So I'm hoping anything will jump in here and die because, girl, it's a struggle over here. Most of this box is paper towels and toilet paper. This is Seedling by Grove, and this is 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane paper. They also promise that every 50 rolls purchased, one tree will be planted, which is really cool because they are giving back to what they've taken. I'm gonna give these a try. These are actually pretty small compared to the jumbo ones that I usually get from the grocery store, so I'm gonna have to let you guys know what that is. An update maybe in my Insta stories or something like that, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I also got 2 packs of toilet paper, and this is also a reason why I wanted to go with a company that was going to give back to the environment. So again, their promise is every 100 rolls purchased, one tree will be planted. Every time you blink your eye, a tree dies. Like, no! So I think I mentioned we're having like a mosquito problem. Now that's just not just our house or the bushes surrounding our house. It's definitely like the city, the area, the state, the country. We're under attack by these crazy little tiny mosquitoes. They're tiny, but they're vicious. And me and Jude both are super allergic to, I don't know if they inject us with venom or just the fact that they're touching us, that we break out like crazy. I'll get bitten by a mosquito and my whole ankle will completely swell up. So I just like to have like Zyrtec or any other kind of antihistamine around to help us out with the swelling, and then also like itchy throat and things like that. But bug bites itch so bad to the point where we're scratching until we like break the skin. So I went ahead and ordered the Badger Cooling and Soothing After Bug Balm, and this is just like an anti-itch or soothing itch cream. I've purchased 2 other like anti-itch creams that did not work or left the skin like with a white or pink crusty spot. Not cute, don't want that. I'm hoping this is like clear and stays pretty thick on the skin so it continues to like soothe my itch. So itchy. I also ordered Grove Collaborative's Peppermint Essential Oil, and it's actually a pretty good size bottle. This one is 1 ounce. I'm used to having like the really tiny little bottles. Where are my oils at? This one here, it's called Chill Pill, and I got this one from Target. I think it was like $11. And this tiny little bergamot, this one is from Plant Guru, and I don't know how much I spent on this because I believe I got like a whole set, and they didn't do me wrong. I didn't feel anything like negative from them. If anything, they just left a really thick film on the inside of my diffuser. I have 2 girlfriends who just swear by Young Living, and they buy the huge bottles of the peppermint oil, and they keep it in their purse because either when they're stressed out, they do a little they go a little sniff. I would love to hear your thoughts on essential oils in the comments down below. I'm a newbie at this. I got peppermint oil just to be nosy. I don't know. Next item I want to show you is a reusable food wrap, and this is a Bees wrap. I think that's the name of the company, and it's a large 13 by 14 wrap, and what I'm going to be using this for is an alternative to plastic wrap and wrap my son's sandwiches for his lunch. I like to keep them wrapped in plastic to keep them nice and moist and the bread fluffy, but I'm just going to ditch the plastic altogether and go with things like this. I'm also going to be filming and shooting and uploading a video soon of all the products that I found off of Amazon that are going to help me ditch plastic. Maybe not ditch plastic altogether, but definitely ditch the one-use plastics. I'm going to be showing you a bunch of products that I purchased from Amazon that are going to help to also like save room in my pantry, and then also make me feel good about the products and the way that I'm storing food in my refrigerator. So this beeswax can actually go over your Tupperware as like a cling wrap. It can go around your like onions or any other perishable stuff that you can throw into the refrigerator instead of using a Ziploc or a cling wrap. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm hoping that Jude does not throw this into the trash because it's not cheap. The last thing that I purchased were these cleaning gloves. Now I do have a pair of cleaning gloves in my kitchen to wash dishes, but I also wanted to have a pair of cleaning gloves to wash the toilets and things like that. I usually would use the same gloves, not the same gloves, but like the same box of gloves to do my hair, like to dye my hair. I would use those same kinds of latex gloves to clean the toilet, but I just want something that can be used over and over again. Again, I'm like trying to reduce the amount of trash that my house produces because I kid you not, and it's really embarrassed to admit this, we have to throw out the trash like every other day. It's like too much trash that we are producing. And the amount of trash that I'm creating by ordering stuff is giving me anxiety. I'm like, you're gonna be okay. Next up, I also got this Molly's Suds and Allsports laundry wash, which I've been looking for something like this because I have been throwing in some tea tree oil along with our laundry that the guys have in this house. I say guys because Jude is turning into a little guy because he's got BO already and he's only 9 years old. I'm like, what? They're both in jiu-jitsu and I might start out myself, but I think I'm going to stick to Orange Theory for a little bit longer because it's safer. I don't want anybody to hit me in the nose. I was looking for something that was sports specific, and I'm going to give this one a try. If you guys have tried it, let me know what you guys think. And the last product, which I did not order, but I actually got it as a bonus, and it's a product that I already own because it was in my first haul with them, is the Grove Collaborative Hand Sanitizer Gel, and this one is in the scent of Blood Orange. I believe the one that I have was like some kind of a citrus or vanilla, but this one is Blood Orange, and it is moisturizing with coconut oil. So I thought that was pretty cool. Kind of nice little sweet treat to throw into your purse. I don't know about you guys, but I always forget it when it's time to go to church and you have to get up and shake everybody's hands, give everybody a hug, and I'm like, ah, I forgot my hand sanitizer, so this is definitely going to go in my church bag. Now that's it for my haul. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you are interested in Grove Collaborative, I have a link in the description box down below. I am not affiliated with them. This is not a sponsored video at all. Just, if you guys are interested, check it out. Why not? If you have any other websites or brands that I should check out that you guys think you would like to see a haul on, let me know in the comments down below as well. Thank you guys always so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.